Hello boys and girls, we are back on the Mark II Ford Escort build. Now if you follow my Instagram, I told you about a week ago that we have got some huge news coming. And when I say huge news, I mean absolutely massive. So this build right here that we are currently carrying out in down at DST Rusto Works' workshop is going to be going on a bit of a journey. It's going to be going to SEMA in 2026. Which means rather than me having as much time as possible to build this car, I've got less than 9 months to get it ready because it needs shipping over. So I'm going to get it up in the air. I'm going to start by getting all the running gear off. Dan's going to finish my jig for me, and then we'll get it mounted and we'll start getting some proper work done on it. So let's get cracking. So here we have one Fishan wiring loom, half Ford, half Nissan. There's not much we can save on this. It's been hacked to bits anyway. So with what we're doing, we're probably going to get a custom loom made anyway. So yeah, easy just to cut this out. But that's it. That's the shell fully stripped now. Last thing I've got to get out is the steering column. Okay, so she doesn't look particularly different at the end of today. However, we have now got all the running gear stripped out. All the front end is gone, all the power steering, all the wiring loom. You can see that hanging over the car there. That spider's mess. So then the difficult and time-consuming work starts. So we've got rear chassis rails to replace. We've got the whole floor to replace over there. We've got rear quarters to replace. Dan, is there anything we haven't got to replace on this? Roof skin. We haven't got to replace the roof skin. We might put a carbon roof skin on it, but that's a different story. We haven't got to replace the roof skin. But yeah, so basically everything on this car is getting completely redone and changed. Every panel is getting touched. Now, because of that, and the fact that I've spent a lot of money on this already, a lot of money buying parts, my wife has decided to nickname the Escort Vinny, because the only thing we're keeping really is the VIN number and the V5. Apart from that, everything else is changing. So yeah. But it's been great to get started on it. The progress will come thick and fast as we get it on the spit. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. And like I say, I've got, 9 months, but I'm not working on this every day for 9 months. I'm doing it weekends, maybe the odd evening. So there's a lot of work to get done to get it SEMA ready. But it should be one hell of a beast, especially by the time we've got the engine that we've got coming. I've not told you what that is yet, but it's going to be phenomenal. There's going to be many, but you know, Some people are going to love it, some people are going to hate it. As long as people talk about it, I don't really care. So that's it for now. Remember to like, remember to subscribe. All right, so tell a lie, that's not where I'm going to finish the video. It's a few days later. I'm back at DST Rosto Works' workshop, and I've got about an hour now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the car jacked up. I'm going to get it leveled up because it's sitting on the ramp a little bit tilted back. So I'm going to level that up, and then I'm going to cut out this rear quarter here, just along this section here. Go that way, this section there, and then I'm going to try and get this right hand side sill pinned in place, just so I can get some good progress, because the problem I've got is I can only really work on this car on Saturdays and some evenings, and right now I've got 283 days till SEMA. That gives me about 38 weekends, so I've got a lot of work to do in that time. 283 days working on this. If I was working on it solid every day, no problem, but I'm not. So I'm gonna get this set up, I'm gonna get it time lapsed, I'm gonna get the car leveled up first, and then we'll get the rear quarter cut out, get the old one cut off, and start getting this new sill in place. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this off along the body line here where they've stretched it out badly. I'm going to put you on time lapse, and then I'll be back in a second. Well, I found a number plate. I don't think it's for this car, but there's a number plate in there. Definitely not for this car. Right, so yeah, gonna get all this out, all these leaves and all this sand from when it was sandblasted, so it's not all over the floor. I'm gonna be back in a sec. So nothing is quite going to plan. The sill that came with the car has bent. So rather than getting, I've already ordered one sill there, rather than getting a new sill this side, I'm just going to bite the bullet, buy the new rear quarters, well, the full basic side of the car, and then we're going to go from there. Me and Dan have also just been talking it through, and to put that Sierra subframe back in here, obviously, like, the way they've done it is dreadful. And for me to put that Sierra subframe back in, I'd have to remake it all. Yes, it would be on independent suspension, which would be cool, but I really don't have time with the time crunch I've got to get this done. So I think we're going to go back to MK2 Escort running gear. So in the corner there, I've already got full new chassis legs. Now, they don't come with these pins here, so I'm going to have to get the pins to go through, weld the pins in, and then so I can have rear leaf springs on the back. I can then run a Escort axle, Escort leaf springs, not worry about all this, not have to worry about lining it up, because I don't even know if when they had this in the car, this was level. You know, this could have drove down the road and been crabbing like mad. So yeah, we're gonna go order some more parts now. Unfortunately, didn't get as much as I wanted done today because I wanted to get that sill in, but yeah, this is all the shot that fell out of it. It's about 5 inches high, that pile. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get those parts ordered, and then they're probably gonna take a week to come. once we get those, we can really get cracking, start cutting out all the cancer that they put in it, because it's absolutely horrible. Like, again, I'll show you here. They've just put some like box section in that's been arc welded. It's absolutely dreadful. So we've got a nice power plant going in here. We're going to be running a World Cup cross member. So yeah, everything's going to go back to Escort. We're going to bin off all the Sierra stuff. And we are where we are, but that's it. Not much progress this week, but hopefully once we get this, we should start flying through. And then, yeah, the countdown really begins. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye.